Hello, my name is Vega, and this is my final project. Right now, I'm going to run it. So right here, you will see some of the graph. Also, this one is just basically showing you like the blood pressure and the count. So I show you like certain color of the blood pressure, pregnancy, and outcome. So right here, one means they have diabetes. Zero means they do not have diabetes. So right here, we'll show you the graph. Blood pressure. Right here, the green zero means zero blood pressure, and all the way to this color, which is the maximum. So right here, it will show you the whole thing. And you can move it around. So right now I'm going to show you the other one right here. This is the pregnancy and the glucose. Right here you can go in and see each color represent the pregnancy. Zero means purple all the way to 16. Also, it deal with glucose. So right here, if we pull it right here, there's nothing except right here. So that's a little fun things about like a patient to know about. Also, right here is a graph where is the outcome, which is show you the outcome for someone who doesn't have diabetes and someone who does. So right here is it basically say yes or no they have diabetes. So this one is the outcome. Also, this one is just like an explanation with the whole graph with right here with this data set right here, right here, the outcome and the ages. Over here is this is the random forest that classify model. So basically it will predict the volume, so the actual value and predict value. So basically it will predict diabetes. Right here you see this is like a box plot. So right here is a good way to explain to someone. If we see it right here, say the outcome. Right here show you the age, insulin, glucose, everything. And right here will show you like the graph. So right here is 0 all the way to 8. So right here, we went with 1 right here. So right here is the pregnancy. Right here is the glucose. So right here tell you the whole thing. So that's a good way to someone to see it or to analyze more deeply. Right here is the outcome. So basically this is a box plot. So right here is the pregnancy and ages. So right here it compare to each other to who someone has diabetes and someone who doesn't. 0 means it doesn't have diabetes and 1 means they do have diabetes. So a good way for the user to interact, they can see this. Also, other way they can see what is the average accuracy is 72% and 74.68%. So right here it will tell you your prediction. Right here, how many pregnancy? For example, someone who is pregnant, female or male. If it is a male, they put 0. If they're a female, they can if they have a child, and if they aren't pregnant, they can put whatever number they have been pregnant before. So for now, I'm going to put 0. Right here, say how much glucose you have. For example, let's just Just do like a patient, they check up on their sugar and they have their prediction to 26. Blood pressure, we can check this out. Let's just make pretend if we do 58. Right here, say something about the skin fold thickness. Let's just pretend we have like 67. Insulin, let's just say 0 for someone who doesn't. Let's see. Okay, this is the perfect amount. How, let's just put 19. It's a predict the patient is not positive with diabetes. This is kind of cool. So if we stop, then rerun it again and show you how it will predict someone who has diabetes, how it looks like. Um, let's just say if they have, let's just put 0. Glucose, let's just see. Okay, let's put 290. Okay, that's the perfect amount. 93. Let's put 58. Insulin to let's do 490. And for the body mass index is 67.4. Okay, right here, let's just put 873 and let's just put 20. Okay, predict the patient it is positive with diabetes. Right here show you like this person doesn't have kids, show you basically show you the prediction. If they have kids, it will say the same thing. So I hope you guys like this video.